I am privileged to be here for this momentous occasion when we are sending off 350 beneficiaries of the Mawira Njaa program to work in the United Kingdom. Let us congratulate these young men and women for securing a unique and invaluable opportunity to work in the UK's agricultural sector. The government has facilitated their travel through the Youth Fund, as you have heard. These beneficiaries stand on the threshold of a journey to transform their lives while making an impact on the development of the host country and our beloved nation. I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to His Excellency President William Ruto for sowing the seed of this great initiative that is being implemented by the State Department for Diaspora Affairs, together with all the departments that have stood forward here today. To PS Njogu, you are leading this initiative with passion. You have established powerful collaboration with other state departments, agencies, and training institutions that have contributed to the success of this program. This collaboration is critical to addressing the pressing issue of creating quality jobs for our youth in line with our government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
We have really worked hard, and we believe that now than ever before, you can get passport. Any other person can get their passport within 7 days. But for labor migration, it's a high priority, and it only takes 3 days. When you apply, within 3 days, you have your passport, and you now prepare to leave the country.
I'm going to the UK, Boston, Staple Vegetables Company. It's a farm. I'm going with the agriculture course. Yeah, general agriculture. I appreciate so much, and I thank the government of Kenya, including the president, for this opportunity and also for the money. It's been tough. Hatukuwa na hizo expenses, but since gava imekuja through, tunapata kwenda.